Setting up a Selenium WebDriver project. Selenium WebDriver. To install Selenium means to set up a project and a development so you can write a program using Selenium. How you do this depends on programming language and development environment. Java. The easiest way to set up a Selenium 2.0 Java project is to use Maven. Maven will download the Java bindings, the Selenium 2.0 Java client library and all its dependencies, and will create the project for you, using a Maven pom.xml project configuration file. Once you have done this, you can import the Maven project into preferred IDE, IntelliJ IDE or Eclipse. First, create a folder to contain Selenium project files. Then, to use Maven, you need a pom.xml file. This can be created with a text editor. #sign. As of Selenium 2.2.0, the #sign bindings are distributed as a set of signed DLLs, along with other dependency DLLs. Prior to 2.2.0, all Selenium DLLs were unsigned. If you are using Windows Vista or above, you should unblock the zip file before unzipping it. Right-click on the zip file, click Properties, click Unblock and click OK. Unzip the contents of the zip file, and add a reference to each of the unzipped DLLs, to project in Visual Studio or IDE of choice. Python. If you are using Python for test automation, then you probably are already familiar with developing in Python. To add Selenium to Python environment, run the following command from a command line. pip install Selenium. Ruby. If you are using Ruby for test automation, then you probably are already familiar with developing in Ruby. To add Selenium to Ruby environment, run the following command from a command line. gem install Selenium WebDriver. The Ruby bindings for Selenium or WebDriver are available as the Selenium WebDriver gem. Perl. Perl bindings are provided by a third party. Perl modules that are needed to make it work are Selenium, Remote, Driver, Test, more. PHP. PHP bindings are provided by a third party. Please refer to any of their documentation on how to install or get started.